Welcome to Live Content Creation Mastery. This comprehensive guide will teach you everything you need to know to become a successful live streamer. Whether you're streaming on YouTube, Twitch, or any other platform, you'll learn the essential skills, technical setup, and strategies to create engaging content that keeps your audience coming back for more. Live streaming is broadcasting video content in real time over the internet. Unlike pre-recorded videos, live streams happen as they occur, allowing viewers to watch and interact with you simultaneously. This creates an authentic and interactive experience where your audience can comment, ask questions, and engage directly with your content as it unfolds. To start live streaming, you need several key pieces of equipment. First, a reliable camera or webcam to capture video. Second, a quality microphone to ensure clear audio. Third, stable internet connection with good upload speed, ideally at least 5 megabits per second. Fourth, a computer powerful enough to handle encoding and streaming software. Finally, proper lighting to illuminate your face and content clearly. You'll also need streaming software like OBS Studio or Streamlabs to manage your broadcast. Different streaming platforms serve different purposes. YouTube Live offers the largest audience and monetization opportunities. Twitch specializes in gaming and creative content with strong community features. Facebook Live integrates with your existing social network. Instagram Live is ideal for shorter, more casual streams. LinkedIn Live works best for professional and business content. Choose the platform that aligns with your content type and target audience. Successful streams start before you go live. First, plan your content outline and stick to a consistent schedule so viewers know when to expect you. Test your equipment thoroughly, including camera, microphone, and internet connection. Set up your scene layout in your streaming software with graphics and overlays. Prepare any graphics, branding elements, or alerts you want to display. Create a compelling title and description for your stream. Finally, notify your audience through social media and emails about your upcoming broadcast. Engagement is crucial for building a loyal community. Read and respond to comments from your viewers in real time. Ask questions to encourage interaction and make viewers feel heard. Use calls to action like asking viewers to like, subscribe, or follow. Create a welcoming atmosphere where everyone feels comfortable participating. Host regular streams at consistent times so viewers can plan to attend. Develop inside jokes and recurring segments that your community looks forward to. Remember, people watch for you as much as they watch for your content. Track important metrics to understand your stream performance. Watch your viewer count to see growth trends over time. Monitor your chat activity to gauge engagement levels. Check your average view duration to see how long people stay watching. Review your peak concurrent viewers to understand your audience size. Track your subscriber or follower growth rate. Pay attention to your bitrate and dropped frames to identify technical issues. Analyze viewer retention to see where people drop off. Use these metrics to identify what's working and what needs improvement. You may encounter technical problems while streaming. If your stream lags, reduce your bitrate, switch to a wired internet connection, close background applications, or lower your resolution. For audio problems, check your microphone input settings, test audio levels, verify mixer settings, and select the correct audio device. If you see a black screen, restart your encoding software, reconnect your camera, check your video source settings, and verify that applications have permission to use your camera. High CPU usage can be reduced by lowering resolution or frames per second, removing overlays, closing unused programs, or enabling hardware encoding. If your connection drops frequently, use an Ethernet cable for stability, have a backup internet connection ready, reduce your bitrate, and contact your internet service provider if problems persist. Maintain at least 1080 by 720 pixels at 30 frames per second for good video quality. Ensure stable lighting to eliminate grainy footage and keep your background clean and organized. Use an external microphone rather than your computer's built-in microphone for much better audio quality. Eliminate background noise in your room to ensure clear conversation. Maintain consistent volume levels throughout your stream. Verify that your audio and video are synchronized properly. Use H.264 video codec for compatibility across platforms. Choose AAC audio encoding as the standard. Optimize keyframe intervals in your encoder settings. Always match your encoding settings to your platform's specifications and test your quality before going live. Build sustainable income and grow your audience. Earn revenue through platform ads, sponsorships from companies related to your content, subscription or membership programs, and viewer donations. Grow your audience by cross-promoting on social media platforms, collaborating with other content creators, sharing highlights and short clips from your streams, and engaging regularly with your community. Retain viewers by offering exclusive content to members, running contests and giveaways, creating loyalty reward programs, and building a strong community culture. Use analytics to track audience demographics and peak engagement times. Test different content formats to see what resonates. Iterate and improve based on performance data. For long-term success, stay authentic and consistent, build genuine connections with your community, diversify your income streams, invest in quality equipment, adapt to platform changes, and network with other creators in your niche. Remember these 3 essential principles for streaming success. First, planning and preparation are crucial. Success starts before you go live with proper setup and testing. Second, technical excellence matters. Quality equipment and proper setup directly impact viewer experience and retention. Third, your audience comes first. Genuine engagement drives loyalty and sustainable growth. As you move forward, practice your setup until it becomes second nature. Engage authentically with your viewers, and continuously adapt based on their feedback and analytics. With dedication and these principles, you'll build a thriving community around your live content.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.